Permeable paving is a sustainable solution for managing surface water. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to lay a Type A full infiltration permeable paving system. A Type A system allows rainwater to percolate through the joints between the paving blocks, then the bedding layer and into the subbase, where it is temporarily stored within the voids in the aggregate before slowly infiltrating into the ground. This approach ensures all surface water runoff landing on the paving is managed on site. This system can be used provided the ground has sufficient permeability and its strength won't be adversely affected by adding water into the subgrade. Before starting, ensure the site is suitable. Avoid locations with shallow foundations, tree roots or gradients steeper than 1 to 20. Always ensure the driveway surface finishes at least 150 mm below any adjoining damp-proof course levels. Begin by testing the ground's permeability. Remove any topsoil to expose the subgrade soil. Dig a 400 mm square test hole for every 20 to 25 meters squared of paving. Fill it with water and allow it to drain overnight. Repeat 3 times. If the water doesn't drain, the subgrade soil lacks sufficient permeability for a Type A system. Excavate the area to the necessary depth, ensuring you remove all topsoil and create a surface level for the installation. To calculate the depth of excavation required, add the depth of the subbase, the laying course, and block thickness. Edge restraints are critical for structural integrity. Install curbs securely to prevent movement of the paving. Lay a permeable geotextile onto the subgrade, ensuring there are no wrinkles and bring it up the sides of the curb. Overlap any joints by 300 mm. The subbase consists of 20 mm open graded angular crushed rock. It is in clean aggregate ranging in size from 20 mm down to 4 mm and provides both structural support and water storage. This grading ensures that every 3 meters cubed of aggregate can store approximately 1 meters cubed of water. Spread the aggregate and compact carefully to maintain the 30% void ratio essential for permeability. As materials can differ, it is good practice to carry out a compaction trial. Aim for a tolerance of plus or minus 20 mm from the level specified. You should compact layers every 150 mm. Next, add the laying course material, which is a 2 to 6 mm open graded crushed rock. Screed this material evenly to achieve a final thickness of 50 mm and to create a smooth, stable surface for the paving blocks. Using screeding rails will help to ensure the correct depth is achieved. When the screeding rails are removed, fill the gap with the laying course material and re-screed. The open graded nature of the material means it will not reduce in thickness as much as sand. Therefore, the initial placing and screeding of the laying course should be as accurate as possible. It is good practice to complete a trial area to gain an understanding of the material's characteristics and how it will compact. Use blocks from the same batch for one area of paving. Mix blocks from at least 3 packs to avoid colour banding and maintain a consistent appearance. Where products are supplied in packs with vertical slices, always take them vertically, slice by slice. This ensures that colours are distributed evenly. Lay the blocks to the chosen laying pattern, ensuring the nibs interlock. Use string lines to ensure straight lines. Make regular visual checks during installation to ensure the blending of colours is consistent. Cut blocks as needed to fit gaps, ensuring no piece is smaller than 1/4 of its original size. Cutting can be carried out using a diamond tip saw with water suppressant attachment or a block splitting guillotine. Maintain joint widths of 6 mm for permeability. Brush 2 to 6 mm open graded crushed rock jointing material into the joints and repeat this process until the joints are completely filled. Kiln dried sand must not be used as it compromises permeability. Compact the blocks using a vibrating plate with a protective mat to avoid scuffing. By following these steps, you'll achieve a high-performance permeable paving system that's both functional and sustainable.